Well, there it is.
Okay, here's another weird one. We just got a couple left. They're all good, I promise. This isn't oddly terrifying. This one is titled, Can Someone Explain? So you guys are going to have to take a crack at it, okay? That's the game that we're going to play right here. Just
Okay.
hit play, and you guys tell me what's going on.
Oh, something's coming up from the ground.
We don't need sound.
What is this? A crab? Maybe a turtle. Oh my god,
It's like you know that movie Tremors?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's like one of those
wait a second.
monster worms.
People can also play along, those in the chat. You can guess as well. What we're watching right now is the ground is moving. It looks as if some sort of creature is going to be unearthed from the ground, but the ground is just disturbed. It's just disrupted, and it's like splintering and rising and moving.
It seems like whatever's underneath is pretty large.
Shout out Ali's World. Go ahead, guys. What's going on there?
I don't know.
It's not an earthquake.
Is it like a giant turtle? I don't know.
I wish it was a giant turtle unearthing itself.
Something to do with water?
There you go. Yeah, I think that seems to be the consensus. That seems to be the consensus, that you would have like a rising water table underneath. You have softening clay. It's very clay material, but I don't even necessarily know if that's for sure the case. But that seems to be the consensus.
Yeah.
So you don't know the answer?
We'll go read the comments.
Oh, okay.
That's just the consensus.
Okay.
I mean, don't read the top comment, because people don't get serious till like the 10th comment on this particular post. Thank you again, Siddhartha. The soil probably has clay underneath. The clay expanded because of water, so the soil is now being torn. I mean, hopefully somebody can give us a definitive, but yeah, that seems to be what the consensus. I said consensus 3 times.
Water related.
Water.
Got it.
Clay is moving. Probably water.